Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed and beautiful day so far. Thank you all for tuning in, and thank you to all new subscribers. Today we have something absolutely delicious on the menu. We have some lemon butter garlic shrimp, mashed plantain, mashed buttery plantain, and also a seared steak. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get into the recipe. All right, so here's the ingredients you'll need: diced onions and garlic. You'll need some hot pepper. I am using a habanero. Use whatever hot pepper is right for you. Then I have some cilantro, parsley, and thyme. Of course, we have some plantains. Get you some nice sized plantains. Okay, I got 3 nice big plantains, green plantains. Main star of the show, these ribeye steaks. Look at that, so beautiful. Okay, look at that. Ooh, love me some steak, baby girl. Give me a minute. You'll need some shrimp. I already went ahead and cleaned off the shrimp. I left the tails on though, cause that's what I'm going for, a tail on shrimp. All right, and then the other ingredients you'll need is butter, some Parmesan cheese, lemon juice, oil, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, some kind of seasoning salt that you like, and red pepper flakes. Now, let's get into this cook. We're going to season the steaks very simply with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Steaks are seasoned. We're going to set that to the side. We'll season the shrimp right before we're about to cook it. All right, so I am boiling these plantains because we're making mashed plantains, as you would have already seen in the intro. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut off the tops and the bottoms. Cut a line going down. Cut it in 4. All right, we're going to do that one more time. Set these to the side. All right, and then we're going to get this in the water. And I'm also going to put a little bit of vinegar in the water just because I don't want the plantains to turn brown at any point. All right, the plantains are boiling. This will boil for about 15 minutes until tender. All right, so this pot over here, we're going to saute some onions and garlic. So right now I just have a little bit of oil in there. We're gonna put that in there. We're just gonna let that do its thing. Get tender. And then I'm gonna remove half of it from the pot. I'm gonna remove half of it because half of it will be going into the mashed plantain. I'll be mashing some of that in the plantain, and the other half will be with the lemon butter garlic shrimp. Three minutes per side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven on 350. I want these cooked medium, and that's what we're going for. We'll see if we can get it there. Stay tuned for that. I love it. All right, so now we're gonna get some butter in here. Using smart balance. All right, and now we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful steak in the oven on 350 for maybe about 5 minutes. We'll see. This is all done. I'm going to take half out now for the plantain, and I'm going to leave the rest in there for the shrimp. And some parsley and some cilantro. I'm going to also add thyme. Some pepper flakes. One of my favorite seasonings. And that's that. Set that to the side. All right, testing the plantain with a fork. We want it to be fork tender. And it is. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this out of the pot. If you see that, you didn't have to do all the extra peeling because it comes right off. All right, so we've taken the plantain out. All we have to do is Remove the skins. All right. All right, now both steaks are in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and mash up this plantain. And you can add more butter while it's hot. Took out my first steak. Beautiful. All right, our plantain is mashed. We're gonna set that to the side. Let's season our shrimp. This is on tropical. Put in some hot pepper, some parsley and cilantro, black pepper. Looks delicious, smells amazing. Just gonna do a little drizzle of lemon juice over the top. I added some of the fresh herbs to the mashed plantain. Gonna put it in this bowl. Beautiful, beautiful steaks. Some chili oil I made that I put in an Old Bay hot sauce bottle. Very little bit of garnish. Just some parsley. Oh, cuts like butter, y'all. It cuts like butter. I wanted medium, and I believe I achieved medium. Delicious. The steak is buttery, and not because I use butter. It's just a nice piece of steak. Ooh. The steak with the mashed plantain. I've never had the pairing of steak with mashed plantain. Very good. It is the steak pretty much speaks for itself. I seasoned it very simply. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder. Holy Trinity. Perfectly cooked steak. It's cooked so well for me. I don't like it rare, but I can't eat it like that. I love it seared really good, but I prefer it medium. It's so good. All right. Let's taste that. Some shrimp. Ooh, that is so good. The shrimp by itself adds a little bit of sweetness. You know, I love herbs, so the herb flavor, the garlic, the onion. The shrimp is also cooked perfectly. This is delicious. Please give it a try. Thank you all for tuning in. Be blessed. Peace. Mama, say bye.